Ever since it came out in 2008, Spotify has made its place on most people's phones. It's not only convenient, but also budget-friendly. To make things fun, Spotify gives you a roundup of your favorite music every year. It's a great way to keep track of your old favorites and discover new music. Most people use Spotify to provide background music while washing the dishes, doing their makeup, working out, etc. But did you know it can also make you money? Yes, that's right. Is it possible to make money listening to music? If you search for websites that pay you for listening to music, you'll come across a ton of options. A few we found were Playlist Push, Current, Music X-Ray, and Radio Earn. The gist of most of these websites is that you listen to music and give your feedback on it. It's pretty simple and doesn't require any professional understanding of music. Keeping this in mind, you can say it's possible to make money listening to music, but how much money can you make? That's debatable. Most of these websites pay you anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per song. That's not a lot of money, but you can maybe use it for your coffee runs. 4 ways to make money listening to music on Spotify. By now, we've established that making money listening to music isn't a scam. It might not be so lucrative, but it's definitely an option. Now, let's come back to Spotify. How do you use it to make money? Here are a few options. Number 1. Become a playlist push curator. We all have that friend who makes niche playlists for every feeling or event. If you're that friend and have a lot of followers, you can become a curator on Playlist Push. Here are the requirements for you to get selected. You should have at least 1,000 followers per Spotify playlist. Follow Playlist Push's guide for more on this. You must have at least 30 or 1% active monthly listeners for every playlist. Your followers should be 100% original and not bought from online services or marketplaces. The listening activity on all playlists should be 100% organic, generated from real people and natural activity. Your playlist should not have the words "Follow Me" in the title. Playlist Push does not accept playlists for a specific band, artist, album, or song, nor do they want playlists focused on a particular decade like the 70s. Your playlist shouldn't be focused on a series or a movie soundtrack either. Lastly, do not change the title of your playlist to attract followers if you want to get accepted by Playlist Push. According to Playlist Push, they have a reputation score, based on which they determine a curator's payout. You will get paid for every song reviewed. Playlist Push will pay you between $1.25 and $15 for each song, based on the reputation score. If you have more active listeners than followers, you can expect a higher payout. Number 2. Review songs on YouTube. Every time you search for new music on YouTube, you also see a couple of videos where people have reviewed the song. Some people also make videos where they compare different songs. If you have a YouTube account, you can review Spotify songs on it to make money. Avoiding copyright can be tricky, but if you follow the guidelines, you should be good. Now, what do we mean when we say review? That depends on what you want to do. For example, you may want to review an artist's new album. You can play snippets of each song, give your opinion about it, and then compare individual songs to others by the same artist. Similarly, you may review a new movie soundtrack. A good example that comes to mind is Disney's animated feature film Encanto. It has 8 songs from a number of singers, giving you enough content to review. If you grow a large YouTube following, you can expect to make a lot of money. It all comes down to the number of views your videos get. Number 3. Give feedback on Slice the Pie. Slice the Pie claims to be the largest paid review site, but we'll let you decide that. For now, we'll just say you can get paid for every review on the platform. These reviews aren't all strictly music related, but many of them are. For example, you may get a request to review a new album or leave feedback on an artist's song. We'll be upfront with you. Slice the Pie is no YouTube. You won't get rich from it, but it's a great way to make some extra cash in your spare time. Number 4. Transcribe Spotify music. We've all searched for song lyrics after giving up on trying to make sense of what the artist is singing in the new song we can't stop jamming to. Someone writes those lyrics. That could be you. If you have a good ear, you can make money transcribing Spotify music. Start by making a website where you upload lyrics. Listen to new songs that come out or make it to the top of the Billboard chart and transcribe them. Then upload the lyrics to your website. You can monetize your site with ads to make money. If you cover popular songs, you can expect to get a lot of website traffic. Depending on the ads you display, your earnings can be in the hundreds or thousands a month. Spotify no longer has to be that one app you have in the background while you're trying to frantically clean the living room before company arrives. Whether it's reviews, transcribing music, or something else, Spotify offers you a way to profit from it. Before you start your money-making music side hustle, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.